The magic of bristle brushes is happening at the level of individual bristles, especially when impasto comes into play. To mimic real brushes, Rebelle 8 builds every bristle using particle technology. That means each bristle is its own tiny actor with its own behavior. The bristle stroke can contain thin and thick bristles. Thin bristles are generally 1-pixel particles. The thick bristles are wider, with their width fully customizable. Thin and thick bristles create a rich, complex stroke together. Simple so far, right? Now, let's make it interesting. Bristles don't just lay down paint, they can add impasto, or they can remove it. This is where strokes start behaving as real paint dragged across real canvas. The add impasto setting controls how much pigment the bristles carry. More impasto means thicker, heavier bristles pressing paint onto the surface. Then there's remove impasto. Some bristles dig into the paint and carve ridges. Others glide over the top without disturbing the impasto beneath. At 0, nothing is removed. As you increase the value, the intensity of the removing impasto effect increases. The bristles begin cutting more into the paint, and the slider controls how strongly they do it. This interaction between bristles, some depositing paint, some scraping it away, is what creates the beautiful, chaotic depth you see in real impasto strokes.